Can a $25 nylon strap work on this rare Frogman, or will it make the whole watch look cheaper? This is the GWF-1000BS, one of the more distinctive versions of the old-school digital Frogman. Its oversized asymmetric case makes the strap choice difficult. The right one could complete it, the wrong one could overpower it. This Hemsut Shock the World strap uses premium nylon, an adjustable hook and loop closure, and an 18mm fitting. Unlike fixed holes, this design lets me make smaller adjustments to the fit, useful with a watch this substantial. The connection fits, but will the wider nylon balance the Frogman or make it look even bulkier? And this is the result. The strap changes the silhouette, but the Frogman still controls the overall look. The wider nylon keeps the strap from looking too delicate next to the case, while the flexible material follows the wrist more naturally. It doesn't make the Frogman smaller, it simply gives me more control over how securely it sits. It isn't a factory original look, but the rugged strap and oversized case feel like they belong in the same world. What do you see? The right upgrade for this Frogman, or a combination that goes too far?